it's just me, but looking at these, they kind of almost look real, which is definitely something I love. It might be because of like the little burlap sack on the bottom, but when I opened these and started fluffing them and took a good look, I was like, these are so cute. So these are perfect if you do not have a big space. These ones are 2 feet each and they actually come together, and these were sent for my review. And I just love the idea of being able to have something small if you want to decorate like an office or a classroom or a bedroom, or maybe you just have like a really tiny apartment and you don't have the space for a massive tree, so you just want something little. So these are really cute. I love that you have like the little sprinkle of pine cones, and you actually have the different ones in here. You have the different kinds, which I think is fun. You don't see that often. You usually just kind of see one type. If you've never had an artificial tree before, I do want to say you want to take the time to actually, oh look, see, I had this branch here. You actually want to take the time to like fluff out the branches. I just took these out of the boxes. Or the box, because they came together. I probably spent like 5 minutes on each tree just kind of pulling these down, but you do want to take that time to make, before you start like decorating it, to make sure that they're all fluffed out so it looks nice and full. And the nice thing about these, a little surprise, check this out. Ta-da! These actually have lights. So let me turn on this one here. So they have these little battery packs here in the back. The batteries are not included, but each one takes 3 AA batteries, and you have it in this really great heavy-duty box here. So this is fine if it's like outside because it's protected. And then, yeah, you've got some like little lights on here, so you can just add some little ornaments. I think it is absolutely adorable. I can't wait to decorate my office.